Namaskar. I welcome you all on behalf of the Moms Orchid family. As you are aware, we always try to spotlight the talented moms here. Today, we have with us a very talented mom with a beautiful voice, a musician, a playback singer, performer at PTC Awards night, a spiritual seeker, a performer at Radio Enjoy, founder Malhar Music Academy, a beautiful and melodious artist, Mrs. Manmeet Kaur. Mrs. Manmeet, you are joyfully welcome in our musical fest.
Thank you, Jaspreet. Thank you so much.
Manmeet, to begin with, you need to fuel us up with something your favorite.
Yeah, sure. So my favorite is like I just want to start with the motivational song for all those ladies out there who are working for themselves and working for the family and just maintaining a perfect balance in their lives.
Great.
So this is a song by John Bose. It's Forever Young.
Oh, wow.
May God's blessing keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rock, and may you stay forever young. Forever young. Forever young. May you stay forever young. Forever young. Forever young.
Wow. Great.
Thank you so much.
Amazing lyrics with equally amazing sweetened voice. मनमीत आपकी
I just
आवाज
wanted to
का
thank
जादू
you.
छा गया क्या
I just wanted to thank you for this commendable effort at your part also. So you're doing a commendable job for providing this platform to the women out there, wonderful women out there. So thanks a lot to you.
thank you, it's a pleasure. So Manmeet, reaching at this stage, it must be a long journey for you to reach at this stage. When did you start your musical journey?
I don't remember actually. I was in 7th standard, I guess. No, 5th standard. So I had that Casio na, जो बच्चों के पास होता है
Yes,
छोटा सा.
yes.
I just played a tune on that, and my father recognized that song, and he said that I'm playing perfectly without any coaching and anything. So interest तो शुरू से ही था. My father used to sing also.
Okay.
वो जो थोड़ा genes में है थोड़ा सा. But उसको फिर then my father thought कि this talent needs to be polished. So उसके बाद teacher मुझे सिखाने घर आने लगे. And from there the journey started. It's long back, and I'm learning till now also.
Great. So certainly, for an artist, it needs artistic surroundings. So you have your father with
Yeah.
you. So anybody else in the family who is an artist in any way, like?
Now in my in-laws, there are artists. All of them are artists.
Oh, all of them. Wow.
Yeah, my husband is an architect plus a watercolor artist and a flute player also. He plays flute wonderfully well.
Wow,
And my father-in-law also paints. He does oil painting and he's a poet also.
great.
So it's by the genes also. And now I'm living in the which environment, which my in-laws also. So everywhere there's art in every
Great,
form.
great, great, great. So art everywhere. The whole
Yeah.
house is full of art. Great. You're so lucky.
Thank you
Great.
so much.
So, Manmeet, do you feel that music can affect a child's learning as well? I remember I taught 7 colors of rainbow to my son with a song, even days of week, and many more. Like if we have to reinforce something in children, can music help in it?
Yeah, definitely. Because music is the best method to improve your concentration. As we do the riyaz daily, na, so we have to stick on sa. This like one line of vibration. So you have to continue and that in that horizontal line. So वो अपने आप concentration बनती है, and that concentration helps in other works also, definitely for a child also.
Yes.
और बच्चे तो होते ही like they are like blank slate, है ना? तो this music has helped a lot. I particularly when I teach kids, so it has a wonderful impact on kids with the concentration levels and with the all-round personality
Great.
development.
Great, great, great. So I think, the schools anyways, they are doing their music teaching at home also. We should try with our kids to teach some music to them or to
Yeah, yeah.
engage them in any music class so that their concentration level should also increase, right?
Yeah, or otherwise you can play good music to them. Uh, Motivational music, like meditational music, which helps in focusing, and it will result in the better results in academics also.
Great, great. You must be using it for your daughter as well, I suppose.
Perfectly, yeah.
Great.
Experienced and told, yeah.
Yeah, she's a lucky girl to have, all the musical background. Great, great, great. So, Manmeet, for music, like practice is very, very important. So, how long in a day you practice for music? How long in a day you do your riyaz?
See, when I was not married, I was doing it for 5 hours a day.
Okay,
Now I have family and a kid also. So 1 hour a day is like for me to in the morning. And now when I teach my students, तो उनके साथ भी मेरा रियाज खुद का हो जाता है. So it's like 4 hours a day पर. और अगर ये इसमें इतना पंक्चुअलिटी या पर्टिकुलरिटी होना चाहिए कि अगर आप एक दिन रियाज मिस करते हैं ना, तो you go 40 days back.
oh,
So
is it?
it's that particular discipline thing.
And otherwise also, जिस दिन नहीं किया उस दिन आपको रहता होगा कि something is missing today, right?
Yeah, yeah. आपका गला वो it's not prepared for any kind of singing then.
Ah, yes. And Manmeet, like singing some already composed songs should be altogether different from composing something by your own. So, have you ever tried composing your own music as well?
Yes, yes, I have composed a few of my songs which are on my YouTube channel also. It's in my regional language. It's in Punjabi language. So
Okay.
recently I have composed on a farmers protest
Okay.
that event that happened. And one song I composed earlier also, Nimma Nimma Hasna Te Nimma Nimma Bolna.
Wow.
Yeah. And plus, when we do Indian classical music, na, the composition happens on everyday basis. Like you choose a bandish,
Okay.
but the tanas are not particularly fixed. Bandish is fixed, and how you exaggerate, how you improvise that raga is not fixed. It's on the spot, on the stage you are creating. So it's so beautiful there.
Great, great, great. And we heard your beautiful voice, along with singing. Are you associated with the musical instrument? Guitar is already there in your hand. So are you comfortable,
Yeah, yeah.
singing also and playing the instrument also?
Yeah, this is my favorite buddy, guitar. Plus, I play piano also, and
Okay.
during my college days, I was in that instrumental group, in which we used to play tumbi, sarangi, and ghatam. We call it ghatam.
Okay. Okay.
Most of the instruments I used to play. Abhi to I'm frequently playing the guitar and the Casio and harmonium.
Okay, great, 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 great. Manmeet, it is said that music is the mediator between the spiritual and physical life. Do you feel that music really helps in going deeper within ourselves?
Yeah, that's my favorite question, I guess.
Oh, is it?
So, yeah. Just by now, but like since last 2-3 months, I've just started going more deeper into myself. With the music was always there, and I just made it a medium to meditate also. You know why there are in our body there are 7 chakras, and there are 7 swars in the music. So every note is connected to a particular chakra. And see, when you sing that note, your chakra is activated, and all the diseases related to that chakra are just sorted when there's vibration in those chakras. And I truly believe that music is providing full health and consciousness to my body as well as my energy body. और मुझे बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है स्पिरिचुअल सीखने में भी
Great.
because they are both are connected.
मेरे को तो सुन के ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I wish I can also learn something from you. Great, 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 great. Can we listen to some Sufi song from your side? We can,
Sufi is like
link us with, which can link us with some
okay.
spiritual way.
Spiritual, okay.
Anything
So Sufi,
spiritual.
I do Punjabi Sufi songs.
Okay.
Baba Bulle Shah, Baba Waris Shah, the poetry. They are like our Punjabi Sufi poets. Adam Shah, Waris Shah, Bulle Shah, and Baba Farid, Kabir. They inspire us a lot in their writings, right? So I will be singing one of them, their poetry. It's Allah Huda Awaza Ave Kulli Ni Fakir De Vichon. It's sung by Noora Sisters in Coke Studio.
Okay, great.
So here it goes.
Yeah.
बुल्ले नू लोकी मत्ती देंदे बुले आया बैजा विच मसीती बुल्ले नू लोकी मत्ती देंदे बुले आया बैजा विच मसीतां दे की कुछ हुंदे जे दिलों नमाज ना कीती बारों तो में लत्तां गोडे अंदरे रही पलीती तेरा दिल खड़ावे मुंडे कुड़ियां सजदे करे मसीती कन्ना नू हथ लावे पहलो फिर नमाज ते नीति दुनियादारा रब दे नाल वी 400 भी तय कीती अल्लाहू Allahu dayavazave kullini fakirti vichu Allahu dayavazave kullini fakirti vichu Oh Allahu dayavazave kullini fakirti vichu Kullini fakirti vichu Kullini fakirti vichu ना कर बंदिया मेरी मेरी हो ना कर बंदिया मेरी मेरी है ना कर बंदिया मेरी मेरी तन तन सा कोई ना वसा कोई ना अल्लाहू दयावासावी मेरे फकीर बिचो अल्लाहू दयावासा आवे फकीर दे बिचो लेनी फकीर दे बिचो लेनी फकीर दे बिचो Disa disa re re sa ma ma re re sa disa re re sa disa disa re re sa ma ma re re sa disa re re sa sa re ma ni pa ma 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 re ma sa re ma ni pa ma 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 re ma sa disa 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 re ma re ma 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 re sa मेरे यार दा चमकिया दीवा मेरे साईदा चमकिया दीवा नदियों पार बलदा अल्लाह दवाजावे कुल्ली नी फकीर दे विचों अल्लाह दवाजावे कुल्ली नी फकीर दे विचों कुल्ली नी फकीर दे विचों कुल्ली नी फकीर दे विचों Wow.
I don't have words to appreciate the way you sing. It took me to some another world, I suppose. It's
Thank you
so
so much.
beautifully sung. The lyrics also, the songs which you choose, they are really wonderful. Manmeet, your choice
Thank
of
you so much.
words, your choice of lyrics, your choice of songs, beautiful, and equally beautiful your voice. Maza aa gaya.
Thank you so much, Spring.
And
Thank you so
I
much.
hope everybody who is listening to us would be in another world today. Great.
Yeah.
It's amazing, beautiful voice. So Manmeet, if we want to listen to you more, or if we want to learn from you, is there any media for that?
Yes, I take online classes on Zoom also. So
Okay.
you can contact me. I have a YouTube channel also. The links will be posted soon on this description.
Okay.
And you can contact me on the Facebook pages there. And I'm on Insta handle also. So I'll be sharing soon with you guys. So you can contact me and just go further in music, go more deep in music and
Sure.
enjoy.
Yeah. We'll certainly share the link. You please share the link with us. We'll share it with all the moms here. And, whenever there's a request, like whenever you record any new melody, please share it on the, Facebook group of moms as well, so that we can all listen to you.
Proka promise.
Great. It was indeed a pleasure to have you with us, Manmeet. It is a great day for me, I should say, and it is going to be a great day for all the listeners as well. I wish we meet again for one more musical fest, and in the near future, anytime. Yeah. And I hope everybody who is watching us would have enjoyed to the fullest. And it's all for now.
Thank you so much for bringing me here with you. It was such a nice session, and your energy reaches to my energy, and just magical. Thank you so much.
Great. Okay, yeah. Bye for now. Stay happy, stay positive.
Thank you. Bye. See you guys.